Fico is the most commonly used by lenders and banks. It was founded in 1956 by Bill Fair and R. Isaac to calculate the credit risk. In 1956, Bill Fair and R. Isaac created a company to measure consumer credit risk. It came to be known as the Fair-Isaac Corporation and was shortened to FICO. They created a measure of a 3-digit score from 300 to 850 to rate your financial performance in debt management. It measures your credit worthiness and estimates your level of future credit risk using predictive analytics based on data recorded in your credit history. It aids lenders in assessing the risk you pose when you ask for loans or credit. Nowadays, FICO score is a standard industry because 90% of top lenders use FICO scores when making the lending decisions. So, when you apply for a loan, it is likely your lender will be checking your FICO scores to determine how much you can borrow and how much interest you will pay.